Hi, you're watching Sewing and Crochet Things. Today I will be showing you how to create spots on your amigurumi using an embroidery technique. This is the pattern that I use this method on, and you can obviously use it in any kind of project that you want. But the ones that I'm talking about are these spots here in the leg. As you can see, they're less bulky than the ones in the body. So I came up with this technique to make spots a little bit smaller and more delicate looking. So if you're interested in learning how to do it, please keep on watching, and if you find this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you so much. Let's get to it. Insert a long strand of yarn through your needle and insert the needle in the stitch where you want your spot to begin. Leave a short tail on the back. And now insert the needle on the stitch where you want your spot to end. You're going to repeat this process through the same stitches several times to create the spot like as bulky as you like it. If you see that it's too long or too thin, you can insert the yarn, like your needle, through in the next stitch, like right beside it, so it looks like the same spot. And when you're happy with the size of your spot, you're going to insert the needle for the last time in the same stitch, but make it come out farther away where you want your other spot to begin. And remember that you need to be leaving like white space between each of the spots so they don't overlap with each other, and repeat the step of the previous one. Sorry. Here you're coming out further away where you want the next spot to begin, and then stitching in the stitch where you want your spot to end. It's really simple. The important thing here is to keep the stitches as close as possible, if it's possible, like always through the same stitch, like through the same hole where you've been inserting your needle all the time on the same spot, so that the yarn is together and it looks like a solid color and it doesn't have like spaces between each stitch. This would be called a satin stitch in embroidery. Make as many spots as you want, and all the short tails or strands, whenever you need to add more yarn or something, are going to be kept inside.